Welcome to Whimsy Tricks, where we bring you practical tips and creative solutions to make your life more frugal and financially efficient. In a world where expenses seem to constantly rise, we're here to help you discover innovative ways to save money without sacrificing your quality of life. From budgeting secrets to meal planning, DIY projects, and hidden discounts, our goal is to empower you to take control of your finances. So if you're ready to embrace a frugal lifestyle and watch your savings grow, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Let's dive into the world of budget-friendly life hacks. In a world where expenses seem to constantly rise, finding ways to save money and live frugally has become a necessity for many. But being frugal doesn't have to mean sacrificing your quality of life. In fact, with a little creativity and some budget hacks, you can maximize your savings while still enjoying the things you love. In this video, we will share 15 innovative and practical ways to live frugally and save money. From meal planning and DIY projects to cutting back on subscriptions and finding hidden discounts, these budget hacks will help you take control of your finances and make every penny count. So if you're ready to embrace a frugal lifestyle and watch your savings grow, keep following for some incredible tips and tricks. 1. Create a budget and track your expenses. One of the most crucial aspects of frugal living is creating a budget and diligently tracking your expenses. It may sound tedious, but trust me, it's worth the effort. By creating a budget, you gain a clear understanding of your financial situation and can identify areas where you can cut back and save money. Start by listing all your sources of income, including your salary, side hustles, and any passive income. Next, track your expenses diligently for at least a month. This will give you an accurate picture of where your money is going. Categorize your expenses into essentials, such as rent, utilities, groceries, and non-essentials, entertainment, dining out, shopping. Now comes the crucial part: analyzing your expenses and identifying areas where you can cut back. Can you reduce your grocery bill by buying generic brands or planning meals in advance? Can you save on utilities by being mindful of energy usage? Look for ways to trim unnecessary expenses without sacrificing your quality of life. Once you have your budget in place, it's time to track your expenses. Take advantage of budgeting apps or use a simple spreadsheet to record your expenses. Review your spending regularly to ensure you're staying on track and adjust your budget if needed. By creating a budget and tracking your expenses, you will have a clear roadmap to maximize your savings and achieve your financial goals. 2. Meal planning and grocery shopping hacks. Meal planning and grocery shopping hacks are essential when it comes to maximizing your savings and practicing frugal living. By implementing these creative strategies, you can save both money and time while still enjoying delicious and healthy meals. One of the most effective hacks is to plan your meals in advance. Take some time each week to sit down and plan out your meals for the upcoming days. This way, you can create a shopping list with only the necessary ingredients, avoiding impulse purchases and reducing food waste. Additionally, having a meal plan allows you to take advantage of sales and discounts, as you can plan your meals around the items that are on special. Another useful tip is to shop with a grocery list and to stick to it. Before heading to the store, make a list of the items you need and resist the temptation to purchase anything that is not on the list. This will help you stay focused on your budget and prevent unnecessary expenses. Additionally, consider shopping at different grocery stores or local markets to compare prices and find the best deals on your essential items. Buying in bulk is another fantastic strategy to cut down on costs. Look for items such as rice, pasta, canned goods, and cleaning supplies that you regularly use and purchase them in larger quantities. Not only will this save you money in the long run, but it will also minimize the number of shopping trips you need to make. Consider incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet. Plant-based proteins, such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are not only affordable but also provide a great source of nutrition. By adding more vegetarian or vegan options to your meal plan, you can significantly reduce your grocery bill. Lastly, take advantage of coupons, loyalty programs, and cashback apps. Check for coupons in newspapers, online platforms, or store flyers. Many grocery stores offer loyalty programs that provide discounts or points that can be redeemed for future purchases. Additionally, there are various cashback apps and websites that allow you to earn money back on certain grocery items. By following these meal planning and grocery shopping hacks, you can stretch your budget further and achieve significant savings while still enjoying tasty and nourishing meals. With a little bit of planning and smart shopping, frugal living becomes not only feasible but also enjoyable. 3. DIY projects and repurposing items. One of the best ways to embrace a frugal lifestyle and maximize your savings is by getting creative with do-it-yourself (DIY) projects and repurposing items you already have. Not only will this save you money, but it also allows you to add your own personal touch to your home or belongings. There are endless possibilities when it comes to DIY and repurposing, and it's a great way to unleash your creativity. One simple yet effective DIY project is upcycling old furniture. Instead of buying new pieces, take a look at what you already have and see if it can be given a new lease on life. With a little sanding, painting, or reupholstering, you can transform a tired piece of furniture into a stylish and unique addition to your home. This not only saves you money but also reduces waste by keeping items out of landfills. Repurposing everyday items is another budget hack that can save you a significant amount of money. For example, instead of buying expensive organizers or storage solutions, repurpose old mason jars or shoe boxes to store small items. You can also turn old t-shirts into reusable shopping bags or use wine corks to create a stylish bulletin board. The possibilities are endless, and it's a great way to give new life to items that would otherwise go to waste. When it comes to DIY projects and repurposing items, the key is to think outside the box and get creative. Look for inspiration on social media platforms, websites, and even within your own community. You'll be amazed at what you can accomplish with a little imagination and resourcefulness. Not only will these projects help you save money, but they will also give you a sense of accomplishment and pride in your own abilities. So why not give DIY and repurposing a try? You'll be surprised at how much you can achieve while staying within your budget. 4. Cutting back on subscriptions and finding hidden discounts. When it comes to frugal living, cutting back on subscriptions and finding hidden discounts can make a significant impact on your savings. Many of us have multiple subscriptions for various services like streaming platforms, gym memberships, and beauty boxes. While these subscriptions may seem relatively affordable on their own, the cumulative cost can quickly add up. To maximize your savings, take a close look at all your subscriptions and evaluate which ones you truly need and enjoy. Consider canceling or pausing subscriptions that you rarely use or can live without. Additionally, finding hidden discounts can be a game changer for your budget. Many retailers offer discounts and promotions that are not readily advertised but can help you save a substantial amount of money. One way to uncover these hidden gems is by signing up for newsletters and loyalty programs. Retailers often send exclusive discount codes and offers to their loyal customers. Another tactic is to search for coupon codes before making a purchase online. There are numerous websites and browser extensions that aggregate and provide coupon codes for various retailers. Taking a few extra minutes to search for discounts can lead to significant savings in the long run. Furthermore, don't underestimate the power of negotiating. Whether you're signing up for a new service or renewing an existing contract, it's worth trying to negotiate a better deal. Contact customer service and express your interest in continuing with their service, but inquire about any available discounts or promotions. In many cases, they may be willing to offer you a better price or additional perks to keep your business. By cutting back on subscriptions and actively seeking out hidden discounts, you can make a substantial impact on your budget and maximize your savings. Remember, every dollar saved today is an investment in your financial future. Thank you for joining us on this journey to financial freedom and frugal living. We hope you found our tips and hacks helpful in simplifying your life and boosting your efficiency. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more budget-friendly life hacks, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And remember, every dollar saved is a step closer to achieving your financial goals. Stay frugal, stay wise. Stay tuned with us on our channel for more tips and updates. Until next time.